Good morning, or good afternoon, or good evening, whatever it is where you are. I hope that you're well. Just a quick video today, just to give an update for whoever is interested on my MT07, as I've obviously recently I had a crash, and I thought I'd give a rundown on some of the costs for the parts which I've needed to get in order to repair the bike. So starting off with the back, obviously I've had to buy a new tail tidy. That was £33 off of eBay from a company called J-Tech. Then there was the new number plate, that was £11. Unfortunately, there weren't any second-hand rear lamps, so I had to get that from Yamaha. Wait for it, £130 just for the rear lamp. Like I say, there weren't any second-hand ones available on eBay, or I couldn't find any anyway. But that's a lot of money. Unbelievable amount of damage which was done in the crash. I couldn't believe it. I mean, it's taken out both side panels, which I've yet to replace. These are £61 from Yamaha, just for these bits here. Obviously, the little winglets are extra. The little winglets are £81, I think, each, which is a bit extortionate. Anyway, I've had to replace the rear, just this side's rear axle slider. I think that was about £27 or something like that, just for the right hand side one. That was the only one that was damaged, but it was quite good that you can replace them separately, I thought, as it saves buying a whole new kit. New foot peg, that was £24. And then moving to the front, I've still yet to replace the skateboard wheels. So I have to wait till I'm back at work, really. But so new screen, which was a bit cheaper this time, was £126 as opposed to £130 it was originally. Then the headlight mask, which was £46, just slightly less. I think it was £45.66. Then we've got the brake fluid reservoir cap. That was £28. And then walking rounds, I've had to replace this little cover in here, which I think was £7 all in. And obviously the top yoke as well. Now, to buy this top yoke from Yamaha is £181. Then the risers, I'm not sure if you can see that clearly. Let's go round again. See if you can see that better. The risers are, well, this bottom part of the riser, which is all one piece, that's £88, and the top clamps are £24 each. Now, I was quite fortunate. I found one on eBay from a 2021 model for £59 delivered, which I thought was rather good. And last but not least, this is the most expensive part, which is you can only see the shroud at the moment, but it comes as one unit. It's the immobiliser module, and this, wait for it, £361. And that's not the end of it, because obviously the bike doesn't run at the moment. I've got to now book it into Branson's, so that they can code the new immobiliser module to the keys. So that's an extra. If you ever have to replace that part, there is an extra cost to it, because you can only code the keys to it via the Yamaha diagnostics. Anyway, other than that, I'm perfectly fine now. Itching to return to work to earn some money. And I'll be very glad when I've got some money coming in again. Obviously, being a subcontractor, if I don't work, I don't get paid. So it's imperative that I get back to work. I've had the medical and everything and clearance from the doctor. I can bend, I can even touch my toes now. So anyway, I hope that's of some use to some people, and I'll see you again soon. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.